Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Hi, this is Matt at Hendersons RV. People ask us all the time, is RVs all you work on? Well, it's not. We have this 1941 Dodge pickup here, and more and more people and shops are not working on these trucks or cars anymore. So try to keep our patrons happy and offering this service of still working on the antique trucks and cars, and come take a look. So this one's all original. It hasn't been chopped or anything else like that. No upgrades. This is a beautiful rendition of what we used to have back in the day. So the answer is yes, we work on a little bit of everything. So our customer here, he spent 11 years working on this truck. We got some beautiful oak on this pickup all the way in. He's replaced everything, but he did the brakes pretty early on in the build. So by the time he got done with the rest of the finish of the truck, he's got leaky wheel cylinders again. Everything's kind of rusted out. So we have to start all over on the brake end of it, just because when trucks sit for a long time, the rubber rots, and brake fluid is a hygroscopic fluid and it absorbs moisture. So you get that moisture right through all the hoses, everything, puts water in the lines, rusts everything out. So, somebody that might be rebuilding a truck, you might want to do the brake end of it at the end of the deal. So, all right, we wish you safer, happier driving.